Is your Subaru infotainment system stuck on the loading screen? You're not alone. This problem often arises from software glitches or corrupted cache, especially in models from 2017 onwards. Start with a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This is like rebooting your smartphone. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear the system's cache. Access this option via the Settings menu, usually under General or Storage. Clearing the cache removes temporary files and often resolves the issue. These fixes solve around 80% of loading problems, getting you back on the road quickly. Make sure to perform these steps before seeking professional assistance. If a soft reset and cache clear don't fix the problem, consider a factory reset, found under Settings System Reset. Be aware this erases all personal data, so back up important information first. For persistent issues, especially after updates or if you have a 2023 or older model, a dealer-installed firmware reinstall might be necessary. Subaru is moving towards more OTA updates and unified platforms to reduce these issues. Keep your system updated and consider regular cache clearing every 3 to 6 months as preventive maintenance. Remember, using the official Subaru app for diagnostics can help avoid warranty issues. Newer models have faster systems with integrated features, but older versions may require more attention.